All right, man. What's good with y'all? Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy Young Fun 99XX NTA Whatever you know me as, bro. That doesn't matter. Today, we got a little different one, bro. I asked y'all on Instagram to send me a few of y'all pieces, and now we just finna go through and just finna let y'all know what I think, bro. First off, I'm not finna hate on nobody's pieces. That's not what I'm here for, bro, because I know whenever I was starting out or, whatever the case may be, bro, I ain't finna never just hate on another man craft like that. If anything, we're just gonna give some constructive criticism. So with that being said, let's hop right into it. So y'all get off my timeline, bro. Y'all don't need to see all that. First piece, Vechmoon. I don't know how to pronounce bro stuff. Let me see what he got here. He or she, I don't know. Well, we ain't finna sit here and gender label bro or sis. Goddamn. Well, it looks like we have a denim skirt with crazy buttons. Okay. Insane. Like the silhouette, how it's sitting on the body, beautiful. The spikes at the bottom, beautiful. I want to do that with some shorts somehow. But I don't know. We ain't gonna talk about that. We're talking about y'all pieces. But the buttons, crazy button selection, A1. I have nothing bad to say about this. Y'all is in there. I'm glad these are the type of people that support me, bro, because this is insane. Does it have pockets? I believe it may have pockets. I don't know. That might just be a pleat. Either way, crazy. On to the next one. Y'all get out my DMs, bro. Y'all don't need to see all that, bro. Jeez. On to the next one. Terrence Dundada. Me and bro locked in. Okay, we got a little flare going here. These are hard. I can never find some bro glitching out. Like, I can never find no pattern like this whenever I was trying to thrift when I first started out, bro. But these are hard. I would say, this is just preference. Go bigger. Bigger flare. Crazier flare. Because you know how to throw them in there. You got the fabric selection, the pant selection is matching. You got the bust the hem sauce. You busted the hems. You matched the hems up, so you know what you're doing. I say just go bigger flare. I'm not a fan of these type of the base pair you use, but hey, you flare them up. I'm pretty sure they're sitting nice. Bro, that was used to be my favorite silhouette of pants. Skinny with a little flare busted at the bottom so it cover up my shoe. Just, chef's kiss. Yeah, just like that with the little stacks. Yeah, bro know about something. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't know about these. I don't know about I just gotta see them on body. And I probably dye these, bro. But I'm not a fan of moto pants, honestly. I see the vision, though. If you dye these so it comes together more cohesive, these will be crazy. Oh, yeah. No, these crazy. I see you kind of go for the bigger flare here. That's what I mess with. Yeah, I know those sit crazy. Yeah. Bro going big. Bro, see, you already locked in. See, you planned what I was gonna say, and you did it in another pair, bro. So you improving before y'all got this, bro. Y'all locked in. So that was Mr. Terrence Dundada. Y'all go lock in with my boy. Let me see what else we got. Who else? I got a few of them. Mr. Vic. Let's see. Are those rivets? I don't know. Oh, those are pins. Okay. I see what you're doing. You snapped. You snapped with those. Yeah, bro. I ain't got nothing to say about them. I'm hard. I say you can throw a fake hem on the bottom of that. I'm trying to show the camera. You can throw a fake hem on the bottom of the pants, but it don't matter, bro. These hitting. Nice color, nice silhouette, crazy idea. That's all you need for real, a crazy idea. Once you got a crazy idea and you sit down and you really do it, it's over with. I like these, bro. I like how the out seam is going outwards. A lot of people don't do that. A few people have started doing it because they saw the documentary. Mason Margiela used to sew his stuff outwards, and I think Rick Owens wrestling. I don't know, someone else did, but people used to sew their stuff outwards to show kind of the work behind the sewing, the construction and whatnot. I mess with that. I like to do that a lot too. Nice letter distressing. These are hard. Little Burberry vibe. Bro, these are clean too. Bro, I say about these, bro, if you ever see one of my videos, you just hit it with the light distressing all over too. That makes the pants so beautiful. But these are hard. Bro did his thing. Ooh, these are nasty. Ooh. They give me spiderweb vibes, like barbed wire. Those are nasty. Flare. Look like a cotton t-shirt that you just stressed and put on there. That's nice. I don't know what's going on here. I can't lie to you. It looked like bro busted open some pants on the inseam. You rocking them like that, bro? I don't know about those. I gotta see them on body. Nasty work. There you go. Good distresses all over. These are clean. Bro, y'all don't even, there's no constructive criticism. I guess for this one, you could have did a little bit more on the distressing. And bro, I guess we all have to find a way through this, bro. I don't like to take my back seam out and then have my pockets too close, but I also don't want to take my pockets off and move them and you can see the wash on that, bro. But I'm struggling with that too, bro. Yeah. I say at the bottom of the pants, they could break a little bit better. Like you could have worked on the silhouette more, but either way, it's still nastier than a lot of work out here. Still crazier than a lot of stuff out here. I'm nasty, bro. You did that. That's Deposit. That's Mr. Deposit. Y'all go lock on him. He really sewing. He really sewing. Let me see. XOXO Stilo. Let's see what you. Oh, bro might be better than me. Let me see. Okay. I see you. I see. We could have got a little bit technical with closing them up. You know, they would have rendered a lot better. Like right here, down here at the bottom. I didn't even have to really zoom in. Oh, I can't zoom in. Oh, this is a lot of stuff, bro. We ain't gonna go through all his stuff. He got a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, but these are clean. Clean. Crazy. I don't really think I got much to say about bro stuff. Nasty. Bro already, bro locked in. Got a little phone pouch, cigarette pouch. Ooh, nice burrow. You could have worked on the shape a little bit better there, but nasty, bro. Oh my God. Bro, I like your vision. Mister. I don't even know who this is. Who is this? XOXO Stilo. Your vision is crazy. Oh man. I'm messing with this. He got the doilies in there. He got grandma doilies in the he got grandma's doilies in the flares, bro. What? That's insane. I say the doily one, you could have dyed it one's overall. Well, I guess not. I guess the blues hit enough to me. I guess just in my journey, I've realized if I dye a pair of pants one color, it just makes it all come together cohesively. Even if you would just hit it with another blue wash, I'm pretty sure the fade would have stayed in the doily, maybe. And, you know, it would have just made it come together better. Or did your own wash on the jeans to make it tie better. Like maybe ombre up the denim part to match the doily. That would have been crazy. Oh, wildin', bro. But y'all going ham, bro. I don't really got much to say about y'all. Oh, those are beads. Those are not pins. Those are beads and rhinestones. Yeah, bro. You nasty. All right, that was XOXO Stilo. He going crazy. Y'all definitely go lock in with bro. Oh my goodness. See, like this one, how you hit that bleach on it. I believe you bleached them. If you would have dyed these like red one more time, nasty, bro. They would have came out crazy. Like it would have still probably, hopefully covered the dark denim up top, but it would have also, you know, tied all these bleaches together more with the distressing and the backing fabric and whatnot. But those are crazy. That's just me though, bro. That's just me. That was XOXO Stilo. Y'all go lock in with my boy. Who else we got here? Noah Souls. And Noah Sewing. Simple pair, bro. I like that. Everything ain't gotta be crazy. It's a pair you can rock every day. Nasty flares. Gigantic flares. These Andre the Giant pants for real. Yeah, the leopard's nasty. This is all crazy. Good marketing. I see you coming up kind of with the marketing as well. Yeah. With the leopard background and the not marketing, bro, but just the making it cohesive. I like that. Noah Souls, you rocking that. Let me see who else. Bro, I don't even I was scared I was gonna have to say some bad stuff, man. Y'all doing this up, man. Y'all going crazy. I know I got some more somewhere. Hold on. Cause yeah, hella people sent me stuff. Let me lock in. Who else? Moon, Dennis Conyers. Let me see. Oh yeah, me and bro locked in too. He got the Coogee drip. Bro mixed the Coogee with the vintage, and it's nasty, bro. Like I don't really like when people just take the hoodies and they just throw another fabric up under it and they just make weird cuts and call it what it is. I hate those hoodies. Like this is the perfect example of what I'm talking about, bro. Like look at these hoodies. They're so cheaply, not cheaply, but they look like a quick cook up, bro. I'm not gonna lie. They look like I'll definitely cook this up in a day. And I'm sorry, Melanie, but you want $250 for this? This is like 2 hours of work tops. And you want $250? You trying to get that quick $100 an hour jug off y'all, man? I cannot stand for it, bro. People be sending me those hoodies. I'd be like, oh my God, if another person sends me this hoodie, I'm gonna resign sewing, bro. I'm gonna be like, I just don't sew no more. But no, these are hard, bro. Like the Coogee arms with he nasty, bro. I can vibe with that. These brazy. I feel like if you would have dyed these a crazy color, like I don't even know what you could have did. I guess I would have took a bleach spray and I would have like left it unscrew a little bit so drops happen, like so it makes drips and whatnot. And the drips make little dots, and that way you can paint them different colors and whatnot. So I would have dyed it one color, then went back in with something with another color, and just like because there's multiple color pants, you could put that different colors in. Like, bro, I'm sounding crazy right now. So basically, you dye the pants one color, one solid color. Let's say green, gold, red, something like that, right? Whatever color you don't dye the color, whatever color you don't dye the color, whatever color you don't dye the color. Whatever color you don't use to dye it solid, go back in with the red, with the greens, with the blues and stuff like that. That would have been crazy too. I just don't like blue jeans, bro. I'm a blue jeans hater. Once I started, I'm a blue jeans hater. That's all that is. But these are crazy. These are telling the story, bro. Oh yeah, and the sweater to match, people will eat that up. That's Mr. Dennis Conyers, man. Y'all go lock in, my boy. You see him? Yeah, his clothes. I mean, all your clothes are cohesive. Like when I look at these, it's telling a story to me. Like it looks like a collection. You going up, bro? Do your thing. That's all of them. Who else? Who else? Who else? I know I got more, bro. Bro, what about? Bro, y'all stay at my DMs. If y'all trying to peek a look at my DMs again, I'm a act a fool, bro. I can't find it, bro. I can't find it. I don't know why my Instagram is tripping like this. I guess they could have unsent them. They could have privated their accounts. I don't know. Dang. Well, I guess that's it, man. Dang, I thought I had some more. I was excited to show y'all some more. Hold on. I know one dude sent me some. Here we go. Because, bro, I had to show y'all bro pieces. I know he sent me some. Because bro goes crazy. Bro really snapping out here, bro. What? Look at these jeans, man. I haven't even done like a pair where I do the denim and then a layer over the denim, then distress that layer. I like to do distress the actual denim, patch them up from up under. But these, oh my God, it's 3 layers, bro. Bro inspiring me. I'm finna make a 3-layer denim video because they're distressed. Well, I guess these are 2-layer because he got the holes and he got them backed. And then he got the extra layer on top. Crazy silhouette. You're nasty, Devin. The if 6 was 9s. Oh, there go bro toes. If 6 was 9s. Nasty work, bro. Y'all see the leather core. His core looks better than mine. Like he got that mug off Amazon or something. Oh man. His oh my God, bro. The metal, like the jewelry, nasty. Extra little pocket up there. Okay, bro, these are crazy. You snapped on these, bro. I need to get some fabric, bro, so I can get y'all some from scratch stuff. These are nasty. Convertibles. Bro went Balenciaga on them. Convertibles, nasty color, distressed all over. You doing this, bro. Oh yeah, this is bro's first sewn project. Like what? My first sewn stuff looked like crap, bro. Like what? He said he used to hand paint before he got into sewing. Like, oh my God. Nasty. Bro, I looked like he was already on the Y2K stuff way back when. I low-key hopped on that bandwagon, I ain't gonna lie. I didn't like it till it came around with the grunge stuff, bro. The camera just decided to stop recording, so I guess we're done with the video. And low-key, it might have been a good thing because I was losing my brain cells at the end. My vocabulary was getting smaller and smaller. But I'm gonna definitely do another one, bro, because I feel like I didn't drop as much sauce as I wanted to. But I still drop sauce now. Don't ever do that. But I feel like just not as much as I wanted to. So y'all follow me on Instagram to make sure you can stay locked in and know when I'm doing part 2. You can drop your brand, get that free promo, bro. Y'all already locked into the right place, bro. But thank y'all for making it all the way to the end for real. Stay out people's DMs, Mr. Nosy. And y'all remember the past, because that's what made you the person you are today.